So, good afternoon all. This is Sugunakar Mamidala, Assistant Professor Electrical and Electronics Engineering from KG Reddy College of Engineering and Technology. Okay. So, we are discussing from few days onwards importance of power electronics. So, in that power electronics we are discussing triggering methods of SCRs. So, resistance and RC triggering and UJT triggering. So, to increase the rating of the voltage of a SCR, we are going to connect a SCR in series. Now, today our topic is series connection of SCR. Okay. So, now I am going to start here series connection of SCR. So, what is the importance of series connection? How we are going to connect the SCRs in series? So, what is the SCR will play importance role in the power electron, that we are going to cover in this lecture series. Okay. Now, you can see, so everybody know about this symbol of SCR for a electrical related students. So, this is the anode terminal and this is cathode terminal and this one is gate terminal. So, SCR is a 3 terminals, 3 junctions, 4 layer semiconductor device. Okay. So, now how we can operate this SCR in a power electronics. Okay. So, now you can see, so when anode is positive with respect to cathode, when this anode is positive with respect to cathode, then SCR is in forward bias condition. Okay. So, now I am again repeating, when anode is positive with respect to cathode, the SCR is in forward bias condition. When anode is negative with respect to cathode, then the SCR is in reverse bias condition. So, means when anode is positive with respect to cathode, then the SCR is in forward bias condition. When cathode is positive with respect to anode, then the SCR is in reverse bias condition. Okay. So, in these two different bias conditions we are going to operate the SCR. Okay. So, the SCR will operate in 3 different modes of operation. One is forward blocking mode and forward conduction mode and reverse blocking mode. So, we are going to operate the SCR in a power electronics. So, the SCR will works in 3 different modes. One is forward blocking mode and forward conduction mode and reverse blocking mode. So, in these 3 forward and reverse blocking modes of operation of a SCR, okay, so that will going to trigger the, so with the SCR is going to trigger, so then you will get the output. Okay. So, now you can see, so these 3 different modes we are going to operate the SCR. So, in these 3 different modes we will get the SCR in forward bias condition, SCR is in reverse bias condition. But in this operation we are going to increase the voltage rating of a SCR. So, now we are going to connect the SCR in series. Okay. So, now you can see, already we know the operation of SCR in previous lectures. So, in this SCR now you can see, when anode is positive with respect to cathode is in forward bias condition, when cathode is positive with respect to anode, the SCR is in reverse bias condition. Okay. So, but we are providing the voltage to the SCR will not conducting because the another terminal having the gates terminal, the SCR having gate terminal. Okay. So, whenever we are providing the gate signal to the SCR, then only the SCR will start conducting. Okay. So, if you want to increase the rating of a SCR, we are going to connect in series. Okay. Now, you can see the series connection of SCRs. So, now I am going to take say number of SCRs in series. Okay. So, this is the gate terminal and this is gate terminal. So, this is anode terminal and this is the cathode and this is anode of second. So, I am going to represent T1, thyristor 1 or SCR 1, this is T2 and this is T3. So now I am going to increase the rating of the circuit by connecting the SCR in series. Okay. Now can see what is the connection, how we are connecting the SCR in series. Then what will happen after the connection of SCR in series? Whether we are increasing the voltage, is there any problem occur in the series connection of SCR? Now we are going to observe. See here, this is T1 is the SCR1, T2 is the SCR2 and T3 is the SCR3. So in these three thyristors I connected in series. Okay. Now my aim is to increase the voltage rating of a SCR. Okay. So for this case here, for example, I am going to take one example. So this is 1 kilovolts and 5 amperes of my SCR rating. This is my SCR rating. This is my SCR. Whatever I am having the SCRs, so that SCR rating having 1 kilovolts and 5 amperes. Okay. So whether this 1 kilovolts 5 ampere SCR is connected to my 3 kilovolts 5 ampere circuit, 5 ampere circuit or not, I am going to check. Okay. So whether this 1 kilovolts 5 ampere SCR is suitable for this 3 kilovolts 5 ampere circuit or not. So we can say no, because the rating of my SCR is 1 kilovolts, but my circuit is having 3 kilovolts. So this is not matching with the voltage rating of a SCR. So to overcome this problem, I am going to connect the number of SCRs in series. Okay. So I am having 1 kilovolts SCR, this is 1 kilovolt SCR and this is another kilovolt SCR, this is 3 SCR. 3 SCRs I connected in series, then I will get the resultant of voltages. This is voltage across the T1 is V1 and voltage across the T2 is V2, voltage across the T3 is V3. So then finally I will get the resultant voltage is V1 plus V2 plus V3. See, in ideally the voltage is equal to the rating of the circuit. My SCR structure voltage is equal to the rating of the circuit because I connected 3 SCRs in series. So this is the way I am going to increase the voltage rating of a SCR by connecting in series. So in ideally this gives the equal voltage of my circuit, but whether it is practically satisfy or not, I am going to check. You can see here. Okay. So we have practically we are facing two different types of problems in this lecture. Okay. So what are the problems we are facing by connecting the SCRs in series? Now we are going to observe. So SCR we are connecting in, already we know forward blocking mode, forward conduction mode, reverse blocking mode. Okay. So we are first problem we are facing while connecting the SCR in series. First problem is, so that is forward and reverse blocking problem. Forward and reverse blocking problem. Okay. Second problem is, this is P2 is the problem 1 and problem 2. Second problem is turn on and turn off problems. Turn on and turn off problems. So in practically while connecting the SCR in series, so we are facing these two problems in the real time scenario. So how we can overcome these problems, we can see here. Okay. Now can see, so this is the problem 1, forward and reverse blocking problem. Now can see this structure. So this SCR1, SCR2, SCR3, I connected these 3 SCRs in series. So while I am connecting SCR in series, the voltage across the SCR1, V1, V2, V3 respectively. Okay. So now can see, suppose the SCR1, this is the G1 and G2, G3 as the gate terminals of SCR1, 2, 3 respectively. Suppose the SCR1 is going to trigger first. So then what will happen? So this V thyristor 1 or thyristor 2, so will happen, what will happen here? the loading will more loading across the SCR2 and SCR3. So in forward blocking and reverse blocking mode, so even though anode is positive with respect to the cathode of your series connection of all SCRs, okay, so the thyristor 1 will start conducting, so then thyristor 2 and thyristor 2 will facing overloading problem. So due to this overloading problem, so the thyristor 2 or thyristor 3 may be damaged. So this is the problem we are facing whether in forward and reverse blocking cases. How we can overcome this forward and reverse blocking problem while connecting the SCR in series? Now you can observe here. So in this case, so to overcome this problem we are connecting the equalizing resistance to equalizing the resistor. To provide the equalizing resistor to the circuit, then we will overcome the blocking problem. Whatever the thyristor is going to turn off or breaks while thyristor 1 is going to switch it on. Now you can see this is T1 and this is T2 and T3, 1, 2 and 3. These are the thyristor 1, 2, 3. See here, so this is anode and finally we are getting the cathode, because finally we are connected, this is series, this is cathode and anode cathode, anode cathode. Okay. So now this we are increasing the voltage rating like this, 1 kilovolt, 1 kilovolt, 1 kilovolt. Finally we got 3 kilovolts. This is equal to our circuit voltage, but if this is even the matching of my SCR voltage equal to the circuit voltage, we are facing these two problems. I am going to overcome this problem by connecting the equalizing resistance across the each SCR. See here, this is the equalizing resistance RS and this is the equalizing resistance RS. So why I am going to connect this equalizing resistance to the SCR across the SCR? So I am facing this problem. So even though anode is positive with respect to cathode, the SCR SCR is going to trigger, the remaining 2 SCR may be damaged because of overloading. Okay. Suppose T1 is going to trigger, maybe T2 or T3 may damage. Suppose first T2 is going to trigger, whether T1 or T3 may damage. Either you can see this third one also, T3 is going to trigger, then T1 or T2 is going to turn off because of overloading problem. So to overcome this one, so I am connecting here equalizing resistance. So this I can say static equalizing resistor, static equalizing resistance. So by connecting this static equalizing resistance, I can overcome the overloading problem when first thyristor is going to trigger, because this all are connected in series, that is why we are facing this overloading problem while connecting this SCR in series. Okay. So while connecting this SCR in series, once the T1 is triggered, the remaining T2 or T3 may damage of overloading. So this is complete repetition process. So to overcome this problem, I am connecting here static equalizing resistance. This is RS. Whenever I am going to connect the RS to this series connection of each SCR, so I can overcome this breaking problem, overloading problem of my circuit. So this is the one problem. So to overcome this problem, I am connecting here RS, static equalizing resistance. Now can see second problem. What is the second problem? Turn on and turn off problem. Okay, turn on and turn off problem. So here, by providing the gate signal, so now you can see by providing the gate signal, the SCR is going to trigger. By providing the gate signal, the SCR is going to trigger. Okay. So if number of SCRs is connected in series, here from this diagram, so if number of SCR is connected in series, now you can see this first SCR is going to trigger, so the whatever remaining SCR is going to maybe overloading problem. So to avoid these all these things, okay, now you can see in this structure. So how we are going to overcome these turn off and turn on problems? So in this diagram you can observe here. So this T1 is going to trigger. So due to this overloading of this one, the T1 may damage because of turn on process. The first T1 is going to turn it on, the remaining these two are in turned off position. So means the total overloading of this one will happen. So due to this overloading of this one, so the whatever the thyristor is going to start conducting first, so that may damage. This is in on condition, so even though off condition also. Suppose this thyristor is T2 is going to off first, thyristor T2 is going to turn it off first, okay. So the entire overloading on this T2, the T2 may damage, okay. So this is the turn on and turn off problems we will face in practically while connecting the SCR in series. To overcome this problem, to overcome this turn on and turn off problem in a series SCRs, so we are connecting capacitor, series capacitor resistance across the each SCR. This is a capacitor and this is the resistance. So this is the capacitor and resistance. So now you can see this is the capacitor and this is the resistance, okay. So we can say here this is the series combination of capacitor and resistance, we can say snubber circuit. Snubber circuit. What is the importance of this series combination of C and R across the SCR? So whatever the problem we are facing here, turn on and turn off, in this turn on and turn off problems, so when SCR may damage due to overloading of first thyristor starts conducting, so due to this one, so dV by dt problems, so sudden false triggering of SCR, whatever due to false triggering means suddenly it is going to trigger SCR1 or SCR2, SCR3, okay. So to avoid all this false triggering of SCR, so we are connecting here the series combination of capacitor and resistor in parallel with the SCR. So whenever we are connecting the combination of this series combination of capacitor and resistor in parallel to the T1 and T2, T3, so we are avoiding the turn on turn off problems in practical scenario, okay. So this is the way we are going to improve the voltage rating, improve the voltage rating of SCR by connecting in series, okay. So this is the lecture, okay. Thank you all.